What's up everyone, I'm Aarav.
And I'm Ayush.
And you are here at our YouTube channel, The Tasty Twins.
We are going to be doing another fun baking challenge.
We are going to be attempting to make the BTS logo out of cake.
It's a challenge, so whichever one looks better wins.
Let's get started.
Yeah, no, I mean, if I cut this open, I bet you cake is not even gonna come out. Like, look at this, what is this?
Alright, we got our vanilla cake here.
Okay, so it's BTS leader RM's birthday today. Quick happy birthday to him. But for my cake, I'm going to start to carve out the BTS shape. And then we're going to take that off. And then I'm going to use that as the stencil for the next one to make them look, pretty similar. Yeah, so once I'm done that, let's just do some little fine details there. And then I'm going to move on to the next step. Alright, now we've got to assemble the cake, decorate it with the icing and fondant. But since it's going to take a long time, how about a 20-second montage?
Alright, my turn. Let's start making this cake.
Alright, I'll start off by taking my cake out of my pan. I'll cut it like a little bit more than halfway, and then I'll flatten it out by like cutting the top so there's no lump on the top. Since my brother got a montage, I guess I'll do one as well. Ugh, more editing. Anyways, let's go.
Okay, so this is my BTS logo out of cake. I honestly like the result. I like how I, mix and match the colors. It looks pretty cool. Okay, this is my cake. Does it look anything like the BTS logo?
Yeah, no, I mean, if I cut this open, I bet you cake is not even gonna come out. Like, look at this, what is this thing? What is this?
Alright, that is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching this video.
We voted, and mine was obviously worse, so I have to continue to clean up while he goes and edits this video.
Also, make sure to check out that video over there. It's our most popular video. We made the BTS DYNAMITE logo out of pancakes. And yeah, it's a really good video to watch, so make sure you go check that out. But that's it for now. So go down there, click that series for our summer videos. Summer is done, but you gotta watch that series. And if you like, you can subscribe right here.
And we will see you in our next video.
Have a great day.